Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know you were shocked for a minute, or maybe not, because obviously y'all might have read the title and you might have also seen the thumbnail, and that's why you might be here, but there's also a chance that you're not. I don't know what I'm blabbering, but I'm too sleepy to think, so please bear with me. So yeah guys, I have basically done this makeup look over here, this pop art makeup look. I really hope you all enjoyed this. I wanted to do a pop art from the longest time on my channel, and I am finally doing it today. So I'm super excited, and I'm not gonna waste your time by blabbering, so without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Hey, wait a moment, have you subscribed to my channel as yet? Have y'all? If you have, thank you so much guys, but if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, let's get right into the video. So I have already finished prepping my skin. I have used a moisturizer and then I have also primed my skin, and now I'm going to be using a base. But before that, I'm going to be color correcting my skin. So just over here, very lightly, I'm just going to take a little bit of this orange color corrector from Girl Pro Cosmetics, and I'm going to be correcting. Oh my gosh, hell is this? Why is it so tight? Why is it so tight? Okay, yeah, that's not the exact reference, but every B99 fan will get this. It's tight. It's tight. It's tight. It's tight. That did not happen. Oh my gosh. Guys, at this point, I don't know how to react. My clothes. It's a mess. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna try to close this now. So I know this is a complete mess, but I'm just gonna try to blend it. Is the camera even on? Basically, after that camera incident, I'm so paranoid, so I keep checking my camera again and again. I better get a camcorder or something. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be, I was going to go in for very little. I just wanted very little, but look at this guys. Just look at this. Do you think I can go for very little product now? I highly doubt that. Anyways,
blend, 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 blend.
on my face because come on, I'm not gonna waste it. Look at my hands. What do I even say about this? Okay guys, so this is how I look right now. Fine, I can't help it, okay? I just can't help it. Now I'm gonna be taking a mixture of both of these. Both of my favorite foundations. One is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Stay Fresh Foundation and the Fit Me Foundation. Mixing both of these and applying it on my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this first.
Blend, 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 blend.
This is gonna be worse than the blush hack. Thanks to this. I had such a nice pop art planned, which would be so pretty if this didn't happen. But I guess we can still manage. We are pros at makeup. So I'm just gonna blend it. I don't know why, but before the color corrector exploded, I had a very strong feeling that it was going to explode. I hope I don't look orange like I did in the TikTok hack. It's okay, this is supposed to be underneath makeup, underneath your base. Lipstick isn't. Ain't nothing but a mistake. Tight.
Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend.
Okay, I'm gonna take a little more foundation. Okay, so guys, I have gone in with another pump of foundation, and I'm just gonna be blending it. This is pump number 2. Oh my god, this song is stuck in my head. It's my favorite Christmas carol and I can't help not singing it. Okay, so much better. Now I'm gonna be applying some concealer. Okay, so I've just taken a little bit of concealer and I've applied it under my eyes and a little here and there, and now I'm gonna be blending it. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la.
So blend, 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 blend.
So hilarious. That is it. Next, I'm gonna go in and set everything in well. Oh my god, the powder. The powder went inside my nose and my eye and my mouth. What should I do, guys? What should I do? What can I possibly do except do nothing and wipe it? Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna be moving on to my face. I'm gonna be doing my contour and everything, but for the pop art, it's a little different. You're gonna see in a minute. So I'm gonna be starting with this. Okay, and here goes like this. Also a little here and a little here. Okay, and just to give that eyebrow, as if my nose is connected and not just coming from far away. Just gonna do this. Outline my lips. Now I'm just gonna connect it. Like, the sharp edge. Draw a sharp edge. Okay, yeah, I am done with that. Now I'm gonna be using this lipstick. Ooh. I'm the artist. This is matte, so I'm not gonna blend it. Okay, so I'm done with putting the dots, and now I'm gonna be using this lipstick. Take this all over again and okay, so I have my eyeliner here, and now I'm just gonna be tracing the lines I've made earlier to, kind of darken it. Okay, sorry guys, I wasn't talking much, but it's a hard job. Okay, so I'm done with that. I'm gonna go ahead and draw my eyeliner, put my eyeliner, and let's do that now. So I have hooded eyes and I apply my eyeliner very thin generally, but that's not what we are gonna go for today. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. Okay, so I'm done with my eyeliner and this is how it looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a teardrop here. First, I'm gonna apply a thick kajal. It's more like a pool of tears than a teardrop, guys. So you can draw a puddle of water or something like that and fill it in with color. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look, but I'm just gonna fill it in with some color. I thought of going in with pink, but that would be too monotonous, and a teardrop is generally blue, so I think I would either be going with blue or black. I think I'm gonna go in with blue. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish applying this. Okay, this is how it's supposed to look, but it's supposed to be darker. I think this is too wibbly wobbly. I need a firmer one. Why didn't I get that? Then I'm gonna be taking a darker shade of the blue and I'm just gonna put it in a few places. So it gets that light blue and dark blue together, so I'm just gonna place it like that. Next, I'm gonna be doing my brows and I'm just gonna be taking okay, so I guess I'm done with my brows. This is how it's supposed to look. I'm gonna go in once again with that lipstick. Next, I'm gonna make a line over here. Okay, so this is pretty much it, but it kind of looks flat, so we are gonna bring that out a little. So I'm gonna start with using a white okay, so putting white just makes it pop a little more, because when there's reflection it kind of has to have a little white. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so as you can see, I have gone ahead and tried to make it pop a little bit by putting a little bit of white over here and then over here, and then kind of smudging a little white again. Next, I'm going to be using a silver pencil and applying it on my waterline. So this brush kind of matches the look in my mind. So yeah, that is it. That is pretty much it. This is how it looks. Yes guys, I have ruined my clothes completely. I'm sorry I couldn't entertain y'all while doing my makeup, but this was a very tricky one, okay? I couldn't mess it up. I can't let people down, you see. People have high expectations. Aside, this is how my makeup look, guys. I just wanted to do a pop art from the longest time now. Finally it is here, so I'm so happy. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this, and if you did, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, it's a wrap, guys. I'll see you all super soon with another video. Until then, bye.